So today we're going to visit Desert Road Repair to check out how they've been handling this pandemic and how they've kept their workers safe. So my first question is, what overall changes have you made to your business, and what has been affected during this pandemic?
Some of the changes we've made is we have temperature checks. We provide face masks and hand sanitizers for the guys, antibacterial soap. We have distanced some of the equipment so that they can work separate from each other and far, far away.
So the second question that I want to ask you is, what necessary precautions have you taken to ensure the safety of your workers during this pandemic?
We put up some barriers to keep customers away from coming into the shop and into the office. We distanced the equipment so that the guys have more space between them. And then we ask the customers to move their cars, and then we sanitize anything that we touch and the customers touch, like their keys or their pens or things like that.